This is a 9 to 512 binary decoder. 9 input bits, 512 outputs, and for every possible input combination, exactly one output turns on. Normally, when you build something this size, you do it in stages. Smaller decoders feeding larger ones, a hierarchy that adds depth and delay. But I said I was going to build the fastest, so I didn't build a tree. Every single output is generated in one logic layer. So what does this mean exactly? It means from input to output, every combination resolves through only one logic gate. And under vanilla Rust conditions, that means in just 1 to 2 ticks, it's done. That's right. This monstrosity finishes before you can blink. Wild, isn't it? Now, I've looked around, and I haven't found a documented example of a non-hierarchical single-layer 9 to 512 decoder built inside a video game, so I'm going to try something. I'm applying to the Guinness World Records for the largest functional non-hierarchical single-layer binary decoder implemented in a video game. Will they accept it? I honestly don't know, but if you're going to build something ridiculous, you might as well try. Now the next step is encoding these 512 outputs into an actual working adder. That's where fair comes in. This decoder is the backbone. And for what someone asked in the last video, and because I'm going for the record, I need to explain how it's made. So I'm going to wire up a simple 2 to 4 version that's easy to understand and show you how to scale it. That'll be coming in the next video, so stay tuned.